Today we're unboxing the Sifene 3-in-1 coffee machine. Looks like that. Got the quick start guide and the instruction manual right on top. Clean looking machine. There's the front of it. Got the control panel there. This is where the coffee goes. Up top. This allows you to put coffee. This is a reusable pod that you can fill with coffee or tea. The water tank is on the back. Let's open that up. In the water tank we have more pods. Comes with a little coffee scooper. The pods open up like that. Power cord is inside here, which keeps it pretty neat when it's on your counter. Just pull it out like that. Plug it in. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the coffee machine. So we're gonna pop the water tank out, take the top off, fill it up with water, pop it back in, put the cover on it. I'm gonna take the capsule that says coffee powder on it. This is the coffee capsule. Pop that open. And then I got my coffee here and the handy scooper. About 2 scoops does it. Close the capsule up. Pop it in your machine. Close it. Okay. Power's on. Grab yourself a mug. I'm gonna press 10-ounce coffee. Alright, so you heard the 3 beeps letting you know it's all done. And you got a nice cup of coffee here. Pretty good. It's the 3-in-1 Sifene coffee machine. Performs well, it's a good machine. It does what it's supposed to. It makes you a nice hot cup of coffee in the morning. Cheers. Thanks.